Are you getting tired of having to prove your worth over and over again? People don't take you seriously and think you're not as competent as you really are. In this video, I will share 10 effective steps to get the respect you deserve. Why is respect important? Respect is one of the most important things in life. It can help people build better relationships, get along better, and even achieve their goals. Respect is also key when it comes to good manners. People who have good manners are usually respected by others. This makes them more likable and likely to succeed in any situation they find themselves in. Respect is the key to unlocking success. It's the foundation on which all other skills are built. Without it, we're unlikely to be successful in any area of our lives. But achieving respect isn't always easy. It takes time, effort, and consistency to build a strong relationship of respect with others. Here are 10 tips on how to make everyone respect you. 1. How to make everyone respect you. Start by being respectful of yourself. First and foremost, you need to have self-respect. If you don't believe in your abilities, then no one else will either. Own your successes and failures without putting others down. This will show that you respect yourself enough to be honest with yourself and others. 2. How to make everyone respect you. Start by being respectful to others. Show respect for others by listening attentively and asking questions when necessary. When we're able to communicate effectively, everyone benefits, including ourselves. Listening attentively and paying attention to others is an important skill to have. It will make you more likable, but it will also help you build relationships and gain knowledge. When we listen attentively, we allow others to speak without interruption. This allows them to be heard and understood fully. Additionally, we show our interest in what the other person has to say by asking questions when necessary. This can lead to better communication and earning respect. 3. How to make everyone respect you. Be kind and fair. We all make mistakes, but when we're kind and fair, it's less likely that others will have to pay the price for them. Kindness and fairness are the best ways to reduce conflict. Everyone wins. When everyone wins, everyone will be happy. Everything will be a lot easier around you, and you will also gain respect from others. 4. How to make everyone respect you. Don't lie about who you are. If you're looking for a way to make everyone respect you, don't lie about who you are. According to research, people trust others more if they think they can be themselves. So if you want to be taken seriously, own your vulnerabilities and don't try to hide your true personality traits. If you want to be taken seriously, own your vulnerabilities and don't try to hide your true personality traits. 5. How to make everyone respect you. Keep your promises. This is perhaps the most important thing you can do to gain respect from others. People will view you as unreliable and untrustworthy if you say that you will do something and fail to follow through. Make sure that your commitments are respected and never return to your word. Before even giving out promises, take your time to assess whether it is feasible or not. This can be a double-edged sword that can backfire on you in the future. So make sure that you will be able to fulfill all your promises. 6. How to make everyone respect you. Be honest and sincere. When you are genuine with someone, they tend to trust you more because they know that what you are saying is coming from the heart. Honesty is key in building relationships, so always be forthcoming with information and thoughts. Authenticity is what will gain you respect from others. Everyone loves and respects an honest and sincere person. 7. How to make everyone respect you. Show consideration for others. If you can make someone happy, do so. You don't have to be a sappy person to extend kindness. Just doing something for someone else can show them that you care about them. A selfless act can help you gain respect from those you have helped. This is an easy way to speed up your way to gain everyone's respect. 8. How to make everyone respect you. Help others when they need it. If someone is in trouble, offer to help them. Most people don't do this, and when they are in need, others won't be there to help them out of the situation. Before you go and help someone, you must make sure that you know what to do. If this is not the case, tell them that you are not the right person to help them. By being a good person, a lot of people will respect you. 9. How to make everyone respect you. Don't be afraid to ask for help. People may be hesitant to offer assistance, but they will likely be more than happy to lend a hand if you approach them confidently and respectfully. Asking for assistance is viewed as a sign of respect, so it's important to ask for help whenever you need it. And don't be afraid to ask for help even if you are not familiar with the person. 10. How to make everyone respect you. Be consistent. The first thing is to be consistent in your actions. If you say that you will do something, then do it. Do not let yourself get pulled away by other commitments or feelings. The second thing is to be assertive without being aggressive. Do not overuse force or threats, but speak with conviction and force others to listen to your point of view. The third thing is to stay positive and upbeat. People will respect you more if they see that you have a good attitude even when things are tough. Finally, be patient. People will respect you more if they know that you are willing to wait for what you want. In conclusion, by following the simple tips listed in this article, you can make everyone respect you. Remember to be polite, respectful, and understanding, and don't be afraid to stand up for yourself and what you believe in. Most importantly, be yourself and never let anyone change that. If you enjoy watching this video, please support my channel by clicking on the like and subscribe button. Also, please consider watching my other videos to learn more about how you can improve yourself each day.